Stop by and take a look at the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.